Hi, this is Mark the Meerkat, Suffron here at Grok Trade. I'm the host of the Grok Star Trading Room, an analyst, and perhaps your future mentor. I'd like today to talk about a trade that we had in our room, DEK, Deckers Outdoor. They're the ones who make those Uggs and other shoes. This is what we saw at about 11 o'clock when one of our members said, hey, there's an ascending triangle on Deckers. And if you take a look, it started way back here, about 10:15. So for an over 45-minute period, it kept hitting its head and then getting tighter and tighter. If you want to know more about a ascending triangle, you can go to the free online tradingeducation.com to the chart school. And it's all free. And you can get a description of it, and then this is what it looks like. Where, again, you have a solid resistance line at the top, and it keeps getting smaller and smaller, kind of like a coiled spring. Now, this is a bullish formation, but just means that the probabilities is that if it breaks above this, that we will have an up leg. This is what we saw. Let's see what happens next. But after this started to form, I'm going to pull this down here. This green line here is the R1 line, the resistance line, if you have the pivot point turned on your particular trading platform. And it's showing here that it's also acting as this very strong resistance. So I'm going to actually pull that line down on the top of the triangle right there. So you see how it keeps hitting it over and over and over and over again, getting tighter and tighter and tighter. Let's see what happens next. Boom, there we go, and I'm in. I'm in at $80.15. Let's pull her down and watch what happens. Oh, there she goes. She popped again. Going up, pulled way back, but gets support by what? The 8 EMA, exponential moving average. This is a 1-minute chart we're watching. Going up, going up. Yes, pulled back hard, actually broke the 8 EMA. So I'm taking my stop. I'm at break even at this point. I'm going to pull it up here to 830. Oh man, almost got me. Almost got me. See that little tail there? That almost got my 830 stop, and then it went all the way back up and above, way up to here, and then started to pull back again. So I'm now taking my stop from 830, and I'm pulling it up right under the 8 EMA, and it gets me out here. This one right here at $80.58, and that was for 0.5%. Well, let's see what happened after that. Some of our members were still in the trade. And it did get up here almost to the 80-90 area. So there was about a 1% breakout on that particular formation. And then it continued to proceed back down and fill the gap. So these are the kind of trades that we do in the Grok Star Trading Room, and you're welcome to trade right alongside of us 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page. There's a free chat room there, but there's also the Grok Star Room and a place where you can sign up for your free trial. So this is Mark the Meerkat. Just remember, there's only 2 things to successful trading, according to Tony Turner, and that is number 1 rule is you have to protect your capital, and number 2 is you trade to trade well. Have a great weekend.